Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get online with your PS5. First, make sure your console is fully set up and connected to your TV, ready to go. You will need an active internet connection, which can be either wired through an Ethernet cable or wireless using Wi-Fi. Having an active PlayStation Network account is also crucial for all the amazing online functionalities, from gaming to streaming content. To connect via Wi-Fi, begin by heading to the Settings menu on your PS5 home screen. From there, select Network, then choose Settings once more to access the connection options. Next, pick Set up Internet Connection and clearly select Use Wi-Fi. You will then see a list of available networks. Choose yours and input your Wi-Fi password if needed. For a more reliable and often quicker internet experience, consider using a wired connection. Simply connect one end of an Ethernet cable into the LAN port located on the back of your PS5 console. Take the other end of that cable and plug it into an open port on your internet router or modem. Your PS5 is usually smart enough to detect this direct connection automatically, providing seamless online access. Once you have completed your connection setup, it is always a good idea to perform a quick test to ensure everything is working perfectly. Navigate back to the Network section in your Settings menu. From there, simply select Test Internet Connection. This useful feature will verify your setup and display important information such as your download and upload speeds, along with your network's NAT type.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.